Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you, does YouTube TV have local channels? So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV, and the deciding factor on the local channels that you have is, first you need to go into your profile right here at the top right, click on that and go into settings. And yeah, the deciding factor would be your area right here. So you can click on the area on the left side, and from here you want to make sure that in which area that you are currently in, it is the same as your address or whatsoever, so that in the area that you have set right here, this will be the local channels that will be available for you. So these are the only channels that you will be able to watch. So you can click on update right here, and then you can update your home area and so on right here. You need to provide it, your zip code, and verify it and whatsoever. So all you have to do is just go and update, and then it's a very straightforward process right there. So you don't really need me to guide it. Is all you have to do is input the information of your area. And then the next thing is that you might be interested in getting into Live Guide right here. So these are the channels that would be available for you. So if you have some local channels that you can see right here, like for example, you would want BBC America. So you want to click on this button right here, the up arrow button, so that it would be on your top channels. And this would be prioritized in recommending for you. Later on, I'll be showing you on how you can use Live Guide. And yeah, you can do this so that this channel would be prioritized. So if you have some local channels that you would really want to watch, then you can find it here on all the channels that is available and click on the up button. And then from here, you can rearrange the top channels depending on which order that you would want them to see. So for example, I want the BBC America to be first. So yeah, that is my my arrangement right here. So now I can watch it right here. So I'm gonna go back to YouTube TV, and then from here I can go into live, and I want to make sure that right here in the sortation right here, it is set to custom, so that it would be on which arrangement you have set it into Live Guide. As you can see, the BBC America is in the first one right here that is recommended for me. So yeah, that is basically how you can have local channels in YouTube TV. Make sure your area is correct and so on. But if you don't have the local channel that you are looking for in YouTube TV, all you have to do is go into support.google.com. In this website right here, all you have to do is copy this YouTube TV /contact/network_network request, and then from here you would be able to just request YouTube to add this favorite network of yours and so on, and they would be able to hear you out. But this is not a guarantee that they will add it to you. It's just a request right here, but I think it's worth a try. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.